Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking about in-depth comparison of three leading business intelligence tools, Power BI, Tableau, and QlikView. In this video, we will examine various aspects of each tool, including ease of use, data connectivity, visualization capabilities, and more. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of which tool may be the best suit for your organization needs. So let's dive in. If we talk about the ease of use, Power BI provides a familiar interface for users accustomed to Microsoft products. It also boasts an intuitive drag and drop functionality for seamless report creation. If we talk about Tableau, it is renowned for its user friendly interface, offering a simple drag and drop approach. And it is widely praised for its ease of use, catering to both technical and non technical users. If we talk about QlikView, it has a steeper learning curve compared to Power BI and Tableau, and it requires a deeper understanding of scripting for advanced functionalities. The next part is data connectivity. For Power BI, it boosts excellent connectivity with various data sources, both on premises and in the cloud. If we talk about Tableau, it offers a wide range of connectors for various data sources with strong support for big data and cloud based sources. If we talk about QlikView, it supports various data sources, including databases and spreadsheets. The next part is visualization capabilities. In that, Power BI provides a rich set of visualizations and customization options regularly updated based on the user feedback. If we talk about Tableau, it is known for its extensive library of high quality visualizations with a strong focus on the creating, comparing, and interactive dashboards. If we talk about QlikView, it offers a variety of visualizations but may not be as extensive as Power BI or Tableau. The next part is data modeling. For Power BI, it employs Power Pivot for in memory data modeling, allowing the users to create relationships, calculated columns, and measures. If we talk about Tableau, it utilizes a drag and drop interface for data modeling, enabling the users to join tables and create calculated fields. If we talk about QlikView, it utilizes the associative data modeling, allowing the users to explore the data relationships easily. The next part is sharing and collaboration. In that, Power BI offers seamless sharing and collaborations through the Power BI service with its integration with Microsoft Teams, enhancing the collaboration. If we talk about Tableau, it supports Tableau Server and Tableau Online for sharing and collaboration with strong capabilities for collaborative analytics. If we talk about QlikView, the collaboration features are available but may not be as robust as Power BI or Tableau. The next part is cost. For Power BI, it is known for its competitive price and cost effectiveness, with Power BI Desktop being free and pricing plans based on their usage. If we talk about Tableau, generally considered more expensive than Power BI, with different pricing models, including user based and server based options. If we talk about QlikView, it may have the higher upfront cost compared to Power BI, with licensing cost varying based on the deployment sizes. The next part is the integration. For integration, Power BI seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft products and services, offering the APIs for custom integration. If we talk about Tableau, it integrates well with various third party applications and databases, providing robust APIs for integration. If we talk about QlikView, it integrates with other systems, but the extent may depend on the specific deployment. The next part is mobile accessibility. For Power BI mobile apps available for both iOS and Android provide a responsive and mobile friendly experience. If we talk about Tableau, it offers Tableau Mobile for iOS and Android, providing a consistent user experience across devices. And if we talk about QlikView has mobile access, but the user experience may vary. In conclusion, in this comparison, we have examined the key features and the functionalities of Power BI, Tableau, and QlikView. Each tool offers unique strength and capabilities catering to different user needs and preferences. Whether it's ease of use, data connectivity, visualization, or cost effectiveness, it's essential to carefully evaluate your organization requirements before making any decision. We hope this comparison has provided you valuable insights to help you choose the right business intelligence tool for your organization. Thank you for watching. In the next session, we'll be talking about the introduction of Power BI Desktop.